Why, look, there's Courtney and Lucy having a fun time. They are the best of pals, but it hasn't always been that way. Making friends can be fun, but it can also be difficult if you don't know where to start. Courtney and Lucy's friendship began a long time ago. Let's go back to the beginning, when Courtney was just learning how to make friends. Here is Courtney as a new student at her school. Why, it looks like she is all alone. She wants to be friends with someone, but she doesn't know how to do that at her new school. Why, look over there. It looks like Milo and Lottie are friends. They are sharing screen time with each other. They are having a ball, talking and smiling. But how did they first become friends? Courtney wants to approach them, but that makes her nervous. What could she say to them? Perhaps she could suggest her favorite video. Uh-oh, Courtney, they've run off. Making friends can be intimidating. Look, there is poor Courtney all alone in her classroom. She sees all of her other classmates having fun with each other on the playground. Wouldn't it be nifty to have someone to have fun with as well? How do you make friends with others? Courtney is going to ask her teacher how just one does make friends. Here is Miss Merrily, Courtney's teacher. Courtney tells her that making friends would be the bee's knees, but she doesn't know where to start. Miss Merrily tells her that it's hard to at first know how to make a friend and approach others, but these tips will help you learn how to make friends. Everyone has to practice learning things for the first time, and this includes making friends. Why, look at these baby animals. They look like the best of friends. Here are some tips on how to make friends. One should smile, share their toys, play fair, ask others questions, be a good listener, and show them respect. These are all ways to show them you care. Courtney sure is excited to try these skills to make a new friend at recess. Why, look, Courtney, there's Lucy. She is waiting her turn to get on the swing. Now would be a perfect time to go wait beside her and practice some of the tips Miss Merrily had. Now, what did she say? Miss Merrily said that when making a friend, one should smile, ask others questions, and listen. Would you like me to push you when it's your turn?
If it's ever my turn?
You're right. Maybe we should go to the slide.
Way to go, Courtney. You started a conversation, showed that you will be polite, offering a push, and listen to your friend. This seems like a splendid start.
How did he get over here so fast?
Wow, he has cat-like reflexes. Would you like to come play chase instead?
Sure.
Look at how much fun having a friend is. Courtney asked questions, listened, and offered to play. Not only does Courtney have a new friend, but so does Lucy. To keep a friend, one should do the same things to make a friend. Smile, ask questions, be a good listener, and respecting them all make a friendship so exciting. Wouldn't you agree, girls?
Making friends is so much fun.
And keeping them is even better.
Bye, everyone.